Good morning. So today I'm going to be cooking food that is not sweet and food that has no meat for the church group that basically does the pastoral group, the band, the media group, and anyone else who helps in the morning before church begins. And they are fasting, so they're fasting sugars and meats, and I will be making something for them to eat. So these are some of the ingredients I'm going to be utilizing. I'm going to be making breakfast tacos. First thing I put in the pot was some sofrito. This one is not pre-done. Normally I like to make my sofrito. In a future video I'll teach you how to make fresh sofrito. It tastes so much better than the store-bought one, but for a quick save, this is pretty darn good. This was the end result, you guys. Turned out great. Till the next time, I hope you enjoy.